Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you how you can make money using the Paidwork app. First, let's open the Paidwork app. So the app is installed on my phone. So I open it, then you go back. This is the app dashboard. So you sign up with your email. After that, you will see the app dashboard like this. Okay. With tags, you can go to end. You see the end. You can play a game. You can watch movie. You can micro tags, online shopping, and the scan receipts. So here is me completing a tax, micro tax. Go here. You can become a follower. You see, to Instagram. Instagram is having an issue, so I go back. I choose another one. X.com, so my X is active. So I make a follow. So I make a screenshot. So I come back, I attach it. I send. So this is it. Each task you complete, you earn a point which you can use. You can cash out once you hit the minimum withdrawal. I have earned so far $1. You see, it's pretty straightforward. Like, they are good and they're paying enough, like more than other app I have used so far, like Clickworker. So they're good. I recommend them. So how do you make money? Paidwork offer tax ranging from $1 to $20. You see, I have been approved. My tax have been approved. So soon they are gonna put the money here, and they also sent me email also about it. You see, you can check any currency you want, any country. I'm using USD, so far is working. You can see that. So I just started using yesterday, and I have made $1 so far. So you can start earning from $0.1, and you compound it, like you compound it to reach the minimum of 20 USD to make your withdrawal. The key is consistency. Do a few tasks daily to build up your earnings. You can cash out once you reach $10. I have found the app legit, but it may take time to see bigger payout. So for you to make more money, you have to focus on bigger tasks like installing apps. So I have been installing apps and playing game. That is how I was able to get to this one since yesterday. So this is your bill. You can set up your payment method. You know, you can use PayPal, you can use bank, they pay directly. So this is my earnings so far. So 200 point is equal to 0.2. 1000 point is $1. You can see that. So it's pretty paying, guys. Don't sleep on this. Okay? Don't sleep on this. Jump on it now. Let's make some fucking money. Thank you, and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.